In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero with a bank account. Full 2025 guide. Linking your bank to Xero gives you automatic bank feeds so your transactions flow into Xero each day and reconciliation becomes much faster and more accurate. Let's walk through the process clearly and safely, and I'll share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening Xero and heading to the dashboard for the organization you want to work on. Make sure you're in the right company if you manage more than one, and that you have the appropriate user permissions to connect bank feeds. On the dashboard, look for the bank accounts area. If you're new to Xero, this section might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. This is where you'll initiate the secure connection. On the dashboard, select Securely Connect a Bank Account. This takes you into Xero's secure flow for setting up a bank feed. A quick note on security. Xero uses encrypted connections and, in many regions, redirects you to your bank's own site or app to authenticate. Your bank login is handled by the bank, and the feed is read only, meaning Xero receives transactions but can't move money. Keep your phone handy if your bank uses multi-factor authentication because you'll likely be asked to confirm your identity. Now search for the bank you want to link. Type the bank's name, choose the correct option from the list, and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. You'll be asked to sign in with your bank credentials on the bank's secure page, and then to approve sharing transaction data with Xero. If your bank offers multiple accounts, like checking, savings, or credit card, select the specific accounts you want to feed into Xero and confirm the currency for each. You may also be asked to choose an import start date. This is important. Pick a date that avoids duplicating transactions you may have already entered manually. If you're moving from manual imports, select a date after your last import, so Xero only brings in new activity. Complete the authorization and wait for the confirmation screen. Some banks deliver the first feed within minutes, others can take a few hours or occasionally up to a business day. Once connected, you'll see your linked bank account on the Xero dashboard with its balance and a count of new transactions to reconcile. If you don't see your bank in the list, try refining the search or checking regional availability. Connections vary by country and bank. That's it. Open the dashboard, securely connect, then find and authorize your bank. You're ready for smoother, faster bookkeeping in Xero.